Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today our topic is past perfect tense. So let's start identification. What is the identification of past perfect tense? This tense is used to denote an action that is completed at some times in the past. And at the end of Urdu sentences, there comes चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, अलिफ था, छोटी ये थी, एंड बड़ी ये थी. Okay, for translation making we use you have to know that what is the identification. Okay students, now let's see what is the formula of this sentence. So first of all, to make a sentence of past perfect, first of all we will write the subject, then we will use had, and then third form of verb, and in the end object. And this is the formula of positive sentence. And for negative sentence, first of all we will write subject, then had, then not, plus third form of verb plus object. And interrogative, had plus subject plus third form of verb plus object, and in the end question mark. Let's see some examples. I had eaten an apple. This is the example of positive sentence. First of all we write the subject I, then had helping verb, then third form of verb eaten, and then in the last and the object is an apple. And then this is the negative sentence of past perfect tense. I had not. We will add not between had and between helping verb and form of verb. So I had not eaten, the third form of verb again, an apple. And the last is interrogative. This example is for interrogative. Had I, first of all we will write the helping verb in the beginning, and had I eaten an apple. Okay students, now let's practice for its translation. First, the first sentence, हम फुटबॉल खेल चुके थे. Okay, so students, you can see here what is the subject, हम. So we will write it we. This is the subject. First of all we will write the subject because this is the positive sentence. Okay, हम फुटबॉल खेल चुके थे. First of all we will write the subject we, then helping verb had, and what is the verb here, खेल. So what is the third form of play, played. We had played. What we had played, what is the object, football. So we had played football. Look at the second one, हम फुटबॉल नहीं खेल चुके थे. You can see this word. Okay, so it नहीं, it is always used in negative sentences. So this is the same sentence as we make in the first one, हम फुटबॉल नहीं खेल चुके थे. Okay, there is addition only of this word. So first of all we will write the subject, then helping verb had. We had not. What we had not? We had not played football. Okay, and then the next one is क्या हम फुटबॉल खेल चुके थे. Students, you can see this is when you will see this sentence, when any sentence started from this word क्या, and in the end question mark, it means this is the interrogative sentence. So first of all in interrogative sentence, as I told you that first of all we will write the helping verb. So what is the helping verb in past perfect tense? Had. Only this helping verb is used in this sentence, had. Then the subject is we, verb played. Had we played football, and in the end we will put a question mark. Okay, the next one is डॉक्टर मरीज का मुआयना कर चुका था. What is the subject here? Doctor. The doctor, and we will use the helping verb then. The doctor had examined the patient. अली पतंग उड़ा चुका था. Ali is the subject. Ali had, and उड़ाना, fly, flew, flown. We will use the third form. Ali had flown the kite, and in the end object. क्या तुमने कपड़े धो लिए थे? This is the interrogative sentence. You can see in the end question mark, so it is interrogative sentence. Had. We will start from the helping verb. Had you धोना, wash, and we will use the third form, washed. Had you washed the clothes? And in the end, interrogative question mark. In the interrogative sentences, we will put a question mark. And let's see the next. लड़कियां पहले ही गीत गा चुकी थी. Students, in this sentence, the girls had already. The girls. First of all, we will write the subject, the girls. Then we will use the helping verb. The girls had. पहले ही. Okay. Already. पहले ही means already. The girls had already. Geet. What is Geet means sing. Sing, sang and sung. We will use the third form. Already sung the songs. मेरे घर आने से पहले मेरा बेटा स्कूल जा चुका था. My son. We will not use the first word मेरे घर. Okay, this is not a subject. मेरे घर आने से पहले मेरा बेटा. This is a subject. Okay, so my son, and then we will use the helping verb had. My son had gone. Go went, gone. We will use the third form of go. So my son had gone to school. My son had gone to school before I came there. Before I came there. हम पहले ही ये खबर सुन चुके थे. We subject helping verb then already. We had already पहले ही. We had already heard this news. Heard. Okay. Sunna heard. Third form and then this news. So क्या वो ख़त लिख चुका था? Had, this is the interrogative sentence, had he written the letter? Okay, student, this is very easy. In this all sentences you can see there we are just using the third form of the verb, and there is only one helping verb had in this tense. Students, this is also your classwork. You will write it very neatly on your English grammar notebooks. I will send you the pic of these 10 sentences. You will write it, and for practice I am giving you 10 more words, 10 more sentences. Okay, you will make practice of these sentences. I hope you understand it, students. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.